What's up everybody, Octavia here. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you that I could actually do bar chords now, at least a few of them, with just a couple of shapes. And I love the fact that it gives you different voicings. This E major shape. But normally we would play it like this, with these fingers. But in order to bar it, we're gonna put our pinky in the second fret on the D string. We're going to go on top of that with our ring finger on the A string in the second fret. And then we're going to use our middle finger on the G string in the first fret. And there we go. Now we can slide this E major shape down, 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 and land on the G. This is G. I'm gonna bar the whole thing. And now I have a G major bar chord. Isn't that cool? So you could take an E major shape, slide it down to whatever root note you want to stop on, and then it becomes G major, G sharp major, A major. And tell me if you are already at the stage of learning bar chords, if you're already playing bar chords. How long did it take you to really get them down? What was your adventure with bar chords? Because I'm just now kind of crossing into that lane. But I just wanted to show you that I literally landed my first bar chord, and I wanted to show you the different pick. I've been working with this, but it just constantly slips out of my hands, and I like it, you guys. I'm digging the pick so far. I'll have to tell you guys the actual brand. He just kind of took it out of a pack, and you can barely see the name. He just let me have it. He said, test it out, try it. Tell me how you like it. So I'm taking this E major shape, and I'm just sliding down a couple of frets and repositioning my fingers. All right, that's the E major shape. Barring, let me scoot down one more fret. Barring on this G. Now I have G major. Just a different voicing. I like this voicing. It's not so dominant. Can we tell the difference? Versus I like it, but I like this much better. I like this one, where you're using the E major shape. It feels more even. It feels like the chord itself is more even. Fingers. And if you're struggling online, I saw so many people say kind of just pull back a little with your arm and then use this arm to kind of go that way. You have a little bit more pressure that you don't have to add with your literal fingers. And I guess it works a little. So that's my E major shape, G major bar chord. And I finally got this dang thing down. It took me probably like a week of practice and like hurting my fingers. Especially, as you can see, on the sides, because I'm not laying down really flat. I'm going like that because it's a little bit easier actually. So again, I'm just taking this E major shape, right, that we would hear down here. And I'm just scooting up to where my pinky and my ring finger is in the 5th fret. Just making sure that this is kind of on the side a little bit there. Everything's ringing out good. I may not have all of this down perfectly, but dag nabbit, my first bar chord is in the books. Woohoo! Yeah, I got my G major bar chord now. It takes a lot of practice, and you just have to, again, be resilient and not allow the pain to, to get you down. Take breaks though. I will say I've taken a day off, and then you'd come back and I did something entirely different. So, it's okay to set the instrument down for a little while, let your hands rest. But it does get easier. It's like working out. It's like you're really literally building a muscle. Because when I first got on here, I was like, especially at the lesson a week ago, and I was thinking to myself, man, am I going to be able to do this? And now it's getting easier and easier. So, and I mean, this is just one bar chord. Obviously, there's others, but it gives me hope that, hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. And they said this is the next step, and I get it because there's so many like wonderful songs that you can create and play using bar chords. I'm gonna continue to work on my bar chords. Tell me if you're trying any bar chords out there too. Well, thanks guys for spending a little bit of time with me. I'm just showing you my journey, showing you my adventure with this beautiful gift. Like this video, throw down 3 blue diamonds in the comments. That lets me know that you were here, you were vibing with me, and that you're shining today. And I guess I will see you guys in the next one. I always love hearing from you in the comments, so definitely don't be shy. All right, peace. See you guys later. I got a couple of new picks. Well, one, this is my old pick. Really hard, medium. And then after my lesson at Guitar Center, one of the guys popped open a pack, and instead of me buying it, he said just test it out. It's supposed to have a little groove in there, if you can see. So it should help not slip around so much.